Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can upload orders from Woocommerce to QuickBooks Online. So let's get started. First, let's look at the data currently in QuickBooks Online. Right now, I have 2 products but no customers or orders transferred yet. If your QuickBooks account doesn't have any customers, orders, or products, they will be created automatically during synchronization. Now let's go to Woocommerce Store Manager and check the order list. Here, you can see the orders ready to be synced with QuickBooks. Along with orders, customers and products will also be exported. To start the sync, go to the Add-ons menu and select QuickBooks Online. Then, choose Export Orders. Since I don't have any configurations yet, I'll create a new one. Click to add a new configuration and proceed. Here you'll find different options. Order filters select order status and date range. Tax options apply taxes during synchronization. Customer options create customers automatically if they don't already exist. Product options choose what field to use as the product name and enable automatic product creation if needed. You can also set the item type, inventory asset account, income account, and expense account. Discounts and shipping define how these will be handled. Once everything is set, click Verify and Save. Now your configuration is ready. To proceed, hit Process. The log file will confirm that new invoices were successfully created and updated. Close the window and check QuickBooks Online to see the results. Refresh the page, and you'll see the newly imported orders. Under Invoices, you'll also find the new customers that were added, as well as the products and services created during synchronization. What's even better is that this process can be automated. You can schedule synchronization to run hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.